Alright, the directions say to solve, so before we jump in, we're going to do our restrictions. And to do those, we're going to need to factor those denominators. This first denominator factors into x minus 2, and x plus 1. Oop, not giving myself enough space. The next one does the same, x minus 2, x plus 1. The last denominator factors into x minus 3 and x plus 1. So that gives us 3 restrictions. X cannot equal 2, -1, or 3. Now I'm going to try to rewrite the problem. I'm using a digital pen, so it might not be so neat. I'll do my best here. 2 over x minus 2 and x plus 1 equals, I'm going to give myself some space, x plus 42, and then that denominator is x minus 2, x plus 1, minus, we need to be careful about that, 40 over x minus 3, x plus 1. I'm going to change colors here. Okay, so the first fraction over here needs x minus 3. X minus 3. The middle fraction needs x minus 3 as well. We'll have to FOIL those out. X minus 3. And then the last fraction needs x minus 2. Okay, everybody has x minus 2, everybody has x minus 3, everybody has x plus 1. So we should be okay there. Now we just need to focus on the numerator so we don't have to write the denominators anymore. So let's see, let me change colors again. Alright, so 2 times x, 2 times -3, so 2x minus 6 equals x times x, x squared, x times 42 is 42x, -3 times x is minus 3x, and -3 times positive 42 is -126. Then we're going to do this minus with the 40 and distribute it like that. So it'll be minus 40x plus 80. Alright, let me give myself a little more room here. Alright, now we have to clean all this up. I'm going to leave that 2x minus 6 alone for a minute. We've got x squared. Got positive 42x minus 3x minus 40x. That should give us a minus x. And then we have a minus 126 here. And a plus 80 there. That should give us a minus 46. Then we need to move everything to one side because we have a quadratic, so I'm going to move that 2x over here, and I'm going to add that 6 over here. So we have 0 equals x squared minus 3x minus 40. Now my job is to factor that. Hopefully it factors. Yeah, it should. So that should be x minus 8 and x plus 5. That means x equals 8, or x equals -5, and I do not think either of those are the restrictions. Let me go check. 2, -1, and 3. So we should be good. Those should both be valid answers. Positive 8 and -5.